Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a poor old man named Alaric. Despite his age, Alaric possessed a heart as warm as the sun that graced the skies above his humble cottage. However, fate had not been kind to him, and he found himself burdened with the weight of poverty. Despite his meager means, Alaric always shared whatever little he had with those even less fortunate than himself. His kindness was known far and wide, and the villagers held him in high regard. One cold winter's night, a fierce snowstorm swept through the village, blanketing everything in a thick layer of snow. As the winds howled and the cold pierced through bone, Alaric heard a faint knock on his door. Opening it, he found a shivering traveler, barely able to stand against the biting cold. Without hesitation, Alaric welcomed the stranger into his home, offering him the warmth of his hearth and a simple meal. The traveler, grateful for Alaric's kindness, revealed himself to be no ordinary wanderer but a spirit of the forest, disguised in human form. Touched by Alaric's generosity, the forest spirit granted him a single wish as a token of gratitude. Alaric, with a heart full of compassion, wished not for riches or luxury but for the well-being of his village and its people. The forest spirit smiled at Alaric's selflessness and promised to grant his wish. True to his word, the next morning, the snow had ceased, and the sun shone brighter than ever before. As Alaric stepped outside his cottage, he found the village transformed. Crops flourished, streams flowed with clear water, and the air was filled with laughter and joy. From that day forward, the village prospered, and Alaric's kindness became the stuff of legend. Though he remained a poor old man in material wealth, his heart was richer than any treasure, for he had the love and gratitude of an entire village and the blessings of the forest spirits. And so, the tale of the poor old man who wished for the happiness of others became a cherished folktale, passed down through generations as a reminder of the power of kindness and selflessness.